So what we say is, by just changing your drinking water, you can change your body or health condition. Again, we'll get the same kind of question. Array, from day one we are drinking the same water. That means, we all should be healthy. But frankly speaking, we all are not drinking the same water, because our water depends on the area where we are living in, and the profile what we are in. So, depending on a profile area, the water keeps on changing. We are all not drinking the same kind of a water. But scientifically, if you look at, 70 to 75% of your body health condition is determined by the water. Why water? We are having a very important thing, food. Pawan is not talking about a food. We is only talking about a water. Generally, if you look at, your body is actually a consist of 70 to 75% water. The body, the food what we are talking about, it is hardly a 30%. Otherwise, water is 70%. Scientifically, if you look at, 70 to 75% of your health condition is depend on your drinking water. Then in everyday's routine life, we don't have any kind of importance to our water, because if people say that, no, I have a priority in my life and everything. I will give you a small example. Generally, we all have a breakfast time, we all have a lunch time and dinner time, but nobody maintains any kind of a timings to drink or consume a water. We don't, this time we should drink so much of water, this time we should drink so much of water. Nothing actually. Because, in our daily routine life, the priority of this particular water is hardly anything. Whenever you feel, thirsty, then you drink a water. Otherwise, you people, we all forget also. But in fact, scientifically, if you look at, the most important and precious duties are going to perform in our body is only by the water. There is no substitute, or there is no other alternative. Maintaining your body temperatures, and we all knew that is our body is made up of cells. In this cell, there is something called a metabolism which takes place every second. From that metabolism process only, we'll get energy and everything. That is what we are going to utilize in a whole day. For this metabolism process, we need oxygen and nutrient values. This oxygen and nutrient is going to supply up to the cell level through water. Water works like a transportation system, and also ensuring that, preventing your memory loss, enhancing, increasing your immunity system, and, reducing aging effects, anti-aging you can say, and, also works like a lubricant in your joints. All these duties are going to perform only by the water. There is nothing else which can, substitute this. That means, if you're the drink water what you're drinking in, if it is the right water, it is going to take care of your body. That means all the duties are going to perform well. If your water is not a right water, these duties are not going to perform 100%. When you look at this particular condition, that, say around 20-25 years back, we all came from a same generation, where we used to actually, filter the water through cloth and everything. And few people actually used to, boil the water, and we used to drink, and we used to collect the water from a bore well and all these things. After that, most of us actually came from the same generation. After that, we had a kind of, the candle filtration system like Grama, Ganga kind of a thing, steel one, and with the cement filters and everything. And after that, we got a purifiers. After that, we got a ROs, UVs, UF. The technology changed every time. Even we changed behind the technology, because, whenever this particular filters change to purifiers, we move to purifiers. From purifiers, when the technology moved to RO, UV, UF, we also changed. Presuming that this might be better than that, this might be safer than that, this might be healthier than that. That means we all are behind of healthy water. But actually, if you have to say that water to be healthy, this water should maintain some basic properties. Like, it should be a contaminant free, it should be mineral rich. The lot of minerals should be there in your water, and you should also have something called a potential of hydrogen, alkaline properties. What we talk about, this particular terminology, I'm going to explain in detail in a further slides. At the same time, it should be with the antioxidant properties, with a microcrystal structure. Give me a moment. Yeah, antioxidant properties with a microcluster structure, Finally, it should taste like a natural spring taste. When you talk about, the falls water and everything, this stream water, the taste should be like that. And if we have all these kind of properties, then we can say healthy water. Not only healthy water, we can consider this as a miracle healing water or a wonder water or a holy water. Everything is fine, but is there any places where we get this kind of a water in anywhere in the universe, any part of the world? These kind of a properties available in the water by default, by nature. If you look at the entire universe, we have some places where we get this kind of a water by default, by nature. That is Tlacote in Mexico, Norden in Germany, Jamjam in Makkah, Abe Jamjam, what we call, Lourdes in France. At the same time, there's a place called Nadana Nandana, very close to, it is the borders of our India actually, where the Himalayan glaciers melts and before mixing into the Ganga river. That is considered as one of the powerful water from these five places. When the scientists done a lot of research on these particular five places, the people who are living in these surrounding areas, they got a better lifespan and better health condition. Then they done a in-depth research to find out what is there in this water. After doing an in-depth and detailed research, finally the scientists could make it out. All the five places water got three properties in common. That is active hydrogen, oxygen rich, and alkaline. So because of these three properties available in this water, the scientists concluded that by consuming this water, the people who are living in these places, they got a better lifespan and better health condition. But what Japanese and the Russian scientists done is, they try to innovate a process or a model to produce the same properties water by using a science and technology. After doing a lot of research, they started up the research in the 1950, and after 24 and a half years, almost 25 years in thorough research, aggressive research, in a 1974, finally they succeeded to innovate a device called Kangen water device. When you talk about this Kangen in Japanese terminology, it is in Japanese terminology, you can say it is a return to origin or a back to origin. That become a trademark of this company. So whenever we produce a water from this particular device, this water comes with the three basic properties. That's an antioxidation, alkalinization, and microclustering. If this water producing with this kind of water properties, and if we consume this particular water, what is that is going to do in our body? How it is going to help our body? Generally, we all knew that when you talk about a dengue, malaria, and all these fevers, we knew that it is because of mosquito bites. But when you talk about the recently what we are hearing about, like cancer, diabetes, thyroid, obesity, arthritis, all kind of these particular disorders. When this particular thing, if you're talking about, we all knew that actually there's no bacteria is the reason for this. There is no virus. There is no cat. There is no rat. There is nothing. But why we are getting this kind of disorders? If we talk about, we used to call these disorders. Initially, we started with calling as a degenerative disease. That is old age kind of a thing. When you're getting older after 65, 70 years, that is what we used to call as a old age. Where we used to get these kind of things, we used to call it as a degenerative disease. After that, we used to call them as a chronic disorders. But now, as of now, there is a new name, new trend for this. We are calling them as a lifestyle disorders. Why we are calling them as a lifestyle disorders? If you look at, you change your lifestyle, you change your food style. You yourself can create these disorders in your body. That means there's no other thing which is going to help you out except your lifestyle changes and your food style changes. Generally, people say that how it is possible. I'll give you a small example. Generally, we talk about frequently we talk about heart attacks. Generally, we all knew that a heart attack is not going to happen in a 1 year or 5 months or 2 years or 3 years. The process, if I got a stroke today, that means the process would have initiated maybe a 10-15 years back. Why we get a heart attack is when you talk about a cardiovascular veins. In this cardiovascular veins, the LDL cholesterol, when this low density cholesterol form in your cardiovascular veins, the pumping of the blood pressure to the heart, it becomes difficult. That is what when it goes to the extreme levels, That is what we call it as a stroke or a heart attack. Why this LDL cholesterol forms in my cardiovascular veins is it depends on the kind of a food what you are eating in and the kind of activity you put your body in. That means if you are having a good food, the LDL cholesterol is not going to form in your cardiovascular veins. If your body is really active, then also this LDL cholesterol is not going to form in your cardiovascular veins. That is how we're going to say. That means if it is depending on your lifestyle and all those things, that is what we call it as a lifestyle disorders. So if you're talking about this lifestyle disorders, what is that which is going to help from our body to for this part of lifestyle disorders we talk about? The stress, what we are going to name it. You name it as anxiety, tension, depression, whatever you call it as. But the stress which is produced from your body from your cell level, that is going to be a culprit for a root cause for all the disorders. But basically, if you look at our body is capable of producing three different types of stress levels. There's oxidative stress, acidic stress, and hydrating stress. You name any disorder, either one is going to be the 100% reason for that. If you talk about a type 2 diabetic, general reason what we say is, when pancreas failed to produce insulin, that is what we call it as a type 2 diabetes. But why the pancreas is not producing insulin to regulate the sugar levels in your blood, it is not the pancreas problem. The oxidative stress at the pancreas is going to hamper the performance of the pancreas. That is where the problem is. So pancreas is not the culprit here. Oxidative stress at the pancreas is the culprit for that. So in that way, each and every problem is either is this particular oxidative stress, or is going to be acidic stress, or going to be hydrating stress. So these are the root causes or a judge for this particular disorders. So these three properties which are available in this water, antioxidation, alkalinization, and microclustering, what these properties are going to do is either control or eliminate these three types of stress levels from your body. That means if these are the root causes, if I can control or eliminate, I can get a control over my disorders also. That's where this water is going to work like a powerful tool in our body. The first property of this water, when you talk about this first property of this water, we call it as a antioxidation property. If you have to talk about antioxidation property, I need to talk about oxidation or oxidization process. Generally, we knew that you cut an apple and put it in the atmosphere, normal atmosphere for half an hour to 1 hour. It color changes. We all knew that it is getting spoiled. We won't give it to the guest also. If you have to eat or if you have to give it to the guest also, you ensure that you cut the apple fresh and you offer to the guest. But other fruits, we keep it in the freeze and we do that because, those fruits actually won't give an indication by changing the color or doing something. But apple, exclusively apple and some, guava fruit and banana, generally, they give an indication we are spoiling by changing the color. And you leave a metal pieces outside, after a few days, if you look at it gets rusted. Why are all these things happening? If you look at what are the live cells available in these fruits and metals, when come in contact with the air, because of the lack of oxygen and moisture, whatever the chemical reaction happens, that is what we call as a oxidation or oxidization process. We have to put it in a simple terminology, it is a rusting process, getting spoiled. If you look at it, this process is going to happen only fruits and metals, or the same process is going to happen in my body also. 200%, the same process is going to take place in your body also, because not just fruits and metals, your body is also having 37.2 trillion live cells in your body. When these live cells, when you do the breathing, inhale and exhale, when you breathe in, when these live cells come in contact with the air, because of the lack of oxygen, when you are breathing in, because of this lack of oxygen, whatever the chemical reaction happens, that is what we call it as a aging or a sickness process. If you look at how it is going to happen, generally, we all knew that, when you are young, your skin will be smoother, it will be glowing, brightness and everything. But when you're getting older and older, the skin become wrinkled, and you lose that glowness, you'll get a dryness in the skin. Why all these things happening? If you look at how the apple is going to spoil because of the oxidation level process, In a similar manner, the cell, live cell which is there in your body is going to spoil because of the oxidation process at the cell level in your body. That is what the result we call it as a sickness or a aging. If you have to understand the same thing in a very simple manner, you get a garden fresh tomato from the garden, your own garden or something, and keep it on the table for a 1 week. And at the same time, you fill a glass of water what you're drinking at your house and put it next to those tomatoes and leave it for a 1 week. After 1 week, if you look at, we all knew that tomato is not going to be fresh like a first day. It is going to spoil, rotten, wrinkled. We all knew that is a tomato is going to lose its freshness. But what is going to happen with the water? Generally, when we ask a question, many people say that nothing is going to happen with the water. Water is going to be like that only, because we all see every day. Sometimes you keep a bottle of water in your car and you leave it at home. Even after 1 week, if you look at the water, water looks like same what is there in the first day. So we presume that hardly what is going to happen. Maximum there might be a possibility of some dust or some possibility of bacteria or virus, but nothing is going to happen to the water. But fact is, after 1 week, if you check this both tomato and water in a super ultra microscope, both get spoiled in the same condition, similar manner. But that means both will have a same quantity and quality of a bacteria and virus in it.
It's
The only
11
difference is
o'clock.
you can see the condition of the tomato with the naked eyes, but you can't see the condition of the water, what is happening inside the water. Not even a basic microscopes can show you the reality of the water, what is actually happening in the water. But the fact is, water is going to be spoiled like anything after 1 week. If you look at, is it really a fact? Is it really going to spoil like that? If you ought to see that, what I'm going to do is I will show you a small video. We have done a small research of storing the water, and after 1 week we got it checked in a super ultra microscope to see the condition of this water. So this particular video, what I'm going to show for another 2 minutes 30 seconds, is the entire video is we have shooted from a 1 drop which is stored for a 1 week, which is a regular water. You please go through with this particular video. You see the condition of the 1 drop which is stored for a 1 week. And I'm playing this video. So this particular video is we have shooted from 1 drop, which is stored for a 1 week, and this particular scale, what you can see on the screen now, just a 1 mm scale, which is shown in a bigger way. 1 mm it is. It is in a super ultra microscope, it's showing so big. See all kind of bacteria, virus, fungus, algae, archaea, protozoans. This is called as the smallest living organisms in the universe. Of the water, once after 1 week, if you actually store it, and if you're drinking, most of us, what we do is we will keep this this water bottles by when you buy it from outside from market, you Kinley, Aquafina and all these things, You keep it in a car. After 1 week, if you just uh, get into the same car, if there is any kind of half-liter bottle, half of quantity of the water available, and generally we look at the bottle condition, and we see everything is fine. So you start drinking that water because we feel we feel that water is really good, but the condition is after 1 week. If you look at the condition, this is how whatever you've shown, seen in this video, it is going to be like that. So such a pathetic water what you are actually consuming it. No, most of the people, as soon as they see that this particular video, they say that sir, you are actually exaggerating too much. It is not going to be like this. But the fact is, not just a water, wherever you're sitting at present, even the air is going to have the same kind of condition, same kind of a bacteria and virus. You can't even, you can't see with a normal eyes, you can't even see with a basic microscope. That is only the problem. I'll give you a small example, practical example. You keep, fill a bucket of water in your bathroom and leave a plastic or steel mug in it, after 3-4 days, you go and, touch that mug. You just lift the mug and touch that. You can feel that some kind of a slimy or sticky kind of a thing, which is nothing but a algae or fungus. If you hold this glass like this, and if you see, nothing you can see. But actually, when you can feel that when you touch it, you can feel that there's some kind of a slimy kind of that is nothing but algae or fungus. But our water is regular water, is very good water. Why we are getting these kind of things. If you look at, this is very much possible when anything actually come in contact with the air. That means it is very much possible in even you're drinking water also. But when you're talking about a drinking water, we are having a best water possible. We are having our ROs, purifiers. There are so many things, and when we go out, we buy Kinley, Aquafina, Himalaya. There's so many things by spending a money. But most problems what you are facing nowadays, if I say that these all problems what you are facing, the disorders, or you name any problem, health related issue, if I say that is because of your RO drinking water, the packaged drinking water, what you are buying from outside, what you are consuming in your house through ROs, do all people agree? Most of the people say that, sir, we are drinking from past 10 years, 15 years, 30 years, that this, and we are happy. If you keenly observe, any family you take, either one is going to suffer from the disorders list what we are actually named just 10-15 minutes back. Somebody will have arthritis related issues, somebody will have a gastric issues or acidity issues, obesity, thyroid, arthritis, diabetic, heart attack. It become a part and parcel of every family. So recently what WHO done is they recruited a research to identify the root cause for all these disorders. After doing an in-depth and detailed research, the research recruit team says that the drinking water is the culprit for all the disorders. And exclusively what they mention is the RO water, reverse osmosis water, what we are actually drinking in, that RO water and the packaged drinking water, what you are buying it from outside, is a culprit for all the disorders. We know that RO water is very clean. There's no possibility of bacteria and virus. When you actually drinking this water, you feel it is very soft and light and sweet. Then why this WHO says it is the most dangerous water? The purification system in this water is the most dangerous. While removing all the contaminants which is not required by our body, this ROs also require something called essential minerals, which is very much required by our body. Yes, essential minerals. What is the relation between minerals and our body? If you look at, our complete body is built on 4 minerals: calcium, magnesium, potassium, sodium. This is the base for any body. If you maintain this in a balanced manner, the system will be in a balanced manner. If there is any mineral imbalance, your system start reacting it. If you are not supplying a calcium, your bones will have a problem. If you are not supplying a sodium, your kidney and creatinine related issues will crop in. And each and every mineral is very important. Where you're going to get these minerals to supply into your body, maintain in your body. The groundwater, when you're talking about this, groundwater got all the minerals required by our body. That's the reason, 20-25 years back, when we people and our fathers, forefathers, when they consume this water directly from the ground, they used to supply this mineral requirement through water into our body. That's the reason that time these people doesn't have any kind of a deficiencies, not much problems. But when you started adopting this RO water, packaged drinking water, you have stopped supplying the minerals. That's where you are facing all these problems. What is the first foremost problem what you're going to face? Because if you're not supplying, if you're not balancing your minerals in your body, your immunity system stop collapsing. If your immunity system collapses, even cold can kill anybody. That's the capacity. Immunity system, if your immunity system is good, you can deal with any kind of a climate changes or a food changes or anything. If your immunity system is not good, you can't even, deal with a cold. That's the reason, if you look at a HIV AIDS patients, when they, suffer with a cold and all those things, they take a long time after putting a lot of antibiotic doses and everything, then only they can come out of even a small cold because their immunity system is almost nothing. Even you can see on the screen actually is a Jolton P. Roma, who's actually from WHO. He says that disease and early death is more likely to be seen with the long-term drinking of distilled water and reverse osmosis water. That's what they say. And recently, if you follow the news articles also and news channels also, 4 months back, Supreme Court given a judgment for a Delhi people not to use ROs. If you have to use a RO, there are some basic parameters to be maintained. Otherwise, vacate Delhi, and the same to be implemented in a 2 months. That's what they given judgment. And every week we get to see a news articles about this dangerous of RO water. Baba Atomic Research Institute, Tata Institute. Everybody is actually uh, releasing a news articles warning saying that this RO water is not good for health. Most of the Europe countries and parts of Sikkim, Nepal, and all these people already banned this water. Even Delhi is part of this thing. If everything is fine, most probably we are also going to get a same kind of a thing into the thing. So we already discussed there is in our body also there is cell is going to get oxidized like an apple. It is going to spoil like a apple. What is this oxidation process if we talk about? In our cells, there's something called atoms. In atoms, we have two electrons together. There are a pair of electrons is considered as a healthy or stable atom. Because of your food habits, smoking, radiation, temperatures, injuries, fractures, many factors, because of this thing, this pair of electrons gets separated. When these electrons get separated, the single electron is considered as a free radical. Free radical is nothing but in a layman language, I can say it's a mad monkey. It doesn't know what to do. So what it does is to become a stable, it will go to another pair of electrons and snatch the electrons from it starts snatching from the electrons from the pair, stable atoms. So in this process, one free radical can produce thousands and lakhs of free radicals every minute. So, what is that is, when it goes to the other electron, it can pair up, right? But the pairing, to become a pair, this frequency and this frequency should match. Then only it will become a pair up. Otherwise, it will kill that electron also. In this way, it is going to produce thousands and lakhs of free radicals in your body. Like whenever the fruit and vegetable gets spoiled, we knew that there's something, odd smell is going to come in, and which is, if you keep a bunch of fruits or vegetables along with a spoiled fruit, it is going to spoil all other fruits and vegetables also in a very, rapid manner. That's the reason, we pick this spoiled fruit or vegetable and we keep it aside, or, we just throw it out. That is what it's called as a stress. The same thing, when this free radicals actually, whatever is going to produce, that is what is called as a stress in your body. That stress is going to go and starts, spoiling all your healthy atoms and stable atoms into unhealthy and unstable. So if you look at, is there any possibility to, repair? We knew that we can pick the fruit and we can throw it in the dustbin, but how do we pick this spoiled cell from our body? Is there any possibility? Or is there any possibility to repair that back into healthy or stable? 200% we have a possibility to repair the free radical into stable atom. What we need to do is we need to donate the same frequency electron to that. So if you have to donate, if you donate around 1,000 and 2,000 electrons into your body, one electron can go and, the frequency can match and can become a pair. That's how, you can actually convert this unhealthy and unstable atoms into stable and healthy atoms. So where we are going to get these electrons from, if you look at, okay, before getting the electrons, if this free radicals, if the stress is increased, what is going to happen in my body? If you look at this particular sheet, each and every organ is going to get affected with this particular stress, free radical stress. You talk about eyes, heart, skin, kidney, joints, lung, multi-organs, blood vessels, immunity system, anything including your brain. Each and every organ is going to get affected because of this free radical stress. Such a powerful, dangerous stress it is going to be. So if you look at, how we are going to, donate these electrons into your body is, what are the food you are eating in, what are the liquids or water you are drinking in, it is having antioxidant properties. If you're donating a lot of antioxidant properties while of food into your body, these foods will having a capacity to donate lot of electrons into your body. Thus, the electrons which goes to and pair up with this free radical, and it becomes stable and healthy atoms. So this particular antioxidant properties, we measure it in a WRP. WRP is nothing but an oxidation reduction potential. What is the capacity to reduce this oxidation process in that particular water or food? If this WRP comes in a negative, that is very good for health. It is an antioxidant powerful. If it is the same ORP comes in a positive, that means that food or water what you are taking inside is already spoiled. It is not going to help your body in any way. It is going to spoil further. So that's the reason if you look at this entire chart, right side positive, topmost positive, you can see all kind of aerated drinks. We knew that cool drinks are not good for health. Cool drinks are not good for health. If even if I ask a question, anybody who's consuming these cool drinks every day, the day gone complete without having a cool drinks, even if I ask that guy, he says that I know sir, cool drink is not good for health, but what to do? Because we actually addicted to the taste and all those things. That's the reason we just we generally do this. But frankly speaking, this cool drinks is not good. You people all are most of us are all aware that the cool drink is actually having a sugar content and a carbonated. Because of that is not good. But that is not only the thing. The more dangerous thing is it is highly oxidized, up to 400 positive ORP, which this cool drink can produce. As soon as you consume this thing, it starts separating the healthy atoms into separating the electrons and converting a healthy atoms into free radicals. That's where you get a lot of stress from this. Coke, Pepsi, 7 Up, Sprite, anything you take, everything is going to be same. Better than that is all kind of drinking waters like your tap water, your RO water, your packaged drinking water. You take any waters is better than cool drinks, but it is also not good for your health because it is also on a positive. This can produce around 200 to 250 positive ORP. It is not going to help your body, but it is not going to spoil like a cool drinks. It is not going to harm like a cool drinks. What is there in a negative side, good side? If you look at vitamin C fruit like sweet lime, orange, all these things is very good for health because this negative ORP it reads around 70 to 75 minus. That's the reason if you observe our previous generations, if anybody admit in a hospital as a patient, we generally have a habit of carrying the fruits and where we used to squeeze out the juices and we used to give it to the patients. 98% the fruits what we used to give is Mosambi and orange if it is available in the season, because these are having a negative ORP which actually ensures that donating a lot of electrons into your body and ensures that your recovery system is faster. The same fruit juices is converted into ORS, drapes, saline, electrolyte powders and all those things. But concept is same, donating electrons into your body so that it, free radicals converts into healthy atoms where it is going to help you for a faster recovery. Better than that, if you talk about a green tea, we all knew that it's past 7, 8, 10 years. The green tea is so famous, even though you don't like it, most of us, we don't like this green tea. We actually gulp it because we are, we all hearing about this green tea is good for health, anti-aging. This green tea can read around minus 100 as a negative ORP, which is slightly better than a fruit juices, anti-aging and antioxidants. Better than that is a cod liver oil, omega-3, omega-6, the plant-based and fish-based, salmonella fish and all those things is 2 times better than a green tea because it reads around minus 200 as a negative ORP. And better than that, the highest antioxidant is possible only from the Kangen water. Depending on the models, this water can produce minus 200 to minus 850 negative ORP, which is considered a highest possible available as of today in entire universe. Before Kangen water, there is nothing actually which can produce even a minus 400 ORP, negative ORP. Where this Kangen device, Kangen water can produce around minus 850 up to minus 850 depending on the negative models. So what we are going to get benefits from this negative ORP, what kind of a problems we are going to face because of the positive ORP. Before going to that, what we will do is, I have a different liquids with me. I have a different things. I bought a one from a packaged drinking water, which is a Kinley water, and I have a cool drink, one from a cool drink segment, Sprite, 7-Up, Pepsi, Coke, anything. And I have a one more packaged drinking water because of this two is a very famous. I have a Aquafina and Kinley with me, and I have a one RO at home, and I have a Kangen machine also at my house. What you people all can see is in your if you go to a gallery view, you can see there is a one participant with the name Vanaja Soma. You can click that window or you can click that screen. You can see a live actually where we are going to collect this RO water and the Kangen water from my machines, where my son is going to take that mobile along with him, and he will show you live while collecting the water also, and we will do a test with that particular water itself only. So you can go to our top actually, gallery view. You can see, click on the gallery view and click on a Vanaja Soma, or you can wait for my screen actually, so that you can see very closely. Yeah. ఇది వాటర్ పారబోసి గ్లాస్ లోది, ఇందులో బ్యూటీ వాటర్ పట్టేసేది, కంగన్ వాటర్, ఆర్ఓ వాటర్. So what I'm doing is I'm going to unmute that Vanaja so that he will explain you what water is collecting also.
This is RO. This is Kangen K8 machine.
So what they're doing is actually they have collected a RO water from my RO machine, and at the same time they have collected Kangen water from my K8 machine. And when they're collecting this Kangen water, what they're doing is they are collecting both the waters from top stream and bottom pipe also. Both the waters they are collecting. So what we are going to do is we'll see actually what is that top water and bottom water, what is going to be. And what I'm doing is after a few minutes I will stop the sharing actually, so that you can see very clear vision or clear view from my screen. So what I'm doing is you can see the screen here. So I have a Aquafina water with me, I have a Kinley, I have a cool drink, and I have a RO water with me, which is actually collected from our house. And this is actually collected from a Kangen machine bottom pipe. And this is actually a Kangen water, which is actually collected from the top pipe. So what I am doing is, I have empty glasses, all empty glasses here. Okay. So what I am going to do is, I am going to pour small quantity. These all are seed bottles actually. Going to pour small quantity into these glasses. And this is Kinley. And this is Sprite, 7-Up, anything you talk about, any aerated drinks. And this is my house RO water. And finally, Kangen water. So here I have a WARP monitor with me. This WARP monitor is American made Warp monitor, what this does is actually generally we use the thermometers at our house, right, to check the temperatures and everything in fever and everything. In a similar manner, what this meter does is it actually measures the oxidation levels in the liquid. If it is a positive, it will directly show the reading of positive. If it is a negative, it will show the minus reading. You can see a minus in front of it. So what I am doing here is, you all can see the readings. What I am doing is I am putting the probe into this Aquafina bottle. You can see, all you can see the readings are going high, 180, 182, 184, it's going up again. It's crossed 200 now. Positive is bad, negative is good here. It's moved to around 217 and 80. Around 226 is almost slow down now. It's around 230 positive reading. It is going up, it is not coming down. At the same time, what I'm doing is I'm keep moving this probe into Kinley water. We'll to see what is going to happen with the Kinley. Now you can see Kinley is higher oxidation levels compared with the Aquafina. Depending on the manufacturing dates, processing, there are a lot of things you can actually, which is around 270 plus positive. What I'm doing is the same probe is dipped into cool drinks, Sprite, 7-Up, Pepsi, Coke, anything you talk about. The reading you can see it is around 385, directly jumped from a 260 to 385. It's going up actually. 390. You can see the rating is actually 390 plus, which is actually highly oxidized. Finally, the same water again, my house water, which is RO water. You can see actually reading is coming back actually. You can see, it is coming down to 335, which is positive. That's just freshly taken from a RO, 335. This most of the scenario, it is actually the case where you people are drinking at your houses, because most of us have a RO at home, so highly oxidized compared with the Aquafina, Kinley and everything. Finally, the same water collected through Kangen machine, and you can see it is collected from a Kangen machine. You can see the reading is jumped to minus 697, 99, 700. It's going up again, which is whereas all shown around in between a 200 to 400, where my Kangen machine K, which is showing the reading more than 700, which is a negative ORP. Highly antioxidants. Again, if you have to see the condition, again you take this probe, you put it in any of your drinking water, you can see the reading, it is back to positive. Minus 700 to jump back to, again 200. Again you keep this probe, move to Kangen water, you see it is again jump back to 700. So such a powerful antioxidants, what is actually this Kangen water can supply to your body. So what I'm going to do is I will just come back to the screen again. I'll just start sharing the screen again. So we have seen a different waters where all the waters shown a positive reading, where a Kangen water only shown a minus reading. So what is that going to happen in our body because of the positive and negative? If we talk about, this is actually the sheet which I'm going to show you is a electron chart. So this is actually electron chart where we all knew that actually we get a scientific and average charts. If your weight is so much, you should drink so many liters of water. We can drink so many type if you're so many liters of water, and you also get something called hemoglobin in the blood should be so much. These all actually scientifically there are some set of standards where authorized bodies prepare and check and everything. They will release these charts actually where you get circulated in a WhatsApp and Facebook. In a similar manner, this particular electron chart also is done by one authorized and scientific body, nothing to do with the Kangen, What that does is, depending on the ORP levels, if you consume a 1 liter of water, what kind of electrons you can donate into your body, which is going to, convert the free radicals into healthy atoms. So this is what is going to show. Right side is going to be a ORP, which is actually MB is showing, and a pyramid is actually going to give you a number of electrons which is going to supply to your body. We all actually seen that actually, the ORP levels, except the Kangen water, which is above 164, very close to 233 and close to, when we actually drink this particular water, the kind of electrons in a 1 liter what you can donate is a maximum 1000 to 10,000 electrons. That means if you're consuming around, say around 3 to 4 liters of water in a whole day, that means what you're supplying, the number of electrons to your body is maximum of 3000 to 40,000 electrons, or 4000 to 40,000 electrons. But we already discussed, once free radical starts in your body, every minute it converts a healthy, thousands and lakhs of cells into atoms into free radicals. That means it requires thousands and lakhs of electrons into your body, where this free radicals converted into healthy atom. But what you are supplying in a whole day is not even 40,000, which is not even sufficient for a nanosecond. At the same time, when you look at a negative RPO, Kangen water shown a minus 700 place, but actually here you can see, maximum 426 only where we can accommodate. Even a minus 300, minus 240 negative RP water, if you consume in your body, each liter of water can donate lakhs and crores of electrons to your body. And it donates lakhs and crores of electrons into your body and goes and pair up with the free radicals, and free radicals converted into healthy and stable atoms. When there are no free radicals, there is no stress. There is no stress, there are no disorders. That's where this water is going to work like a powerful, healthy water. And when you compare with other foods and vegetables and other things, what you consume every day, what you're going to eat and other things, this is in comparison with the green tea and other things. When you talk about, generally we have a habit of taking a green teas, right? 1 cup of green tea, or no, sorry, 16 cups of green tea if you consume in a day. In terms of antioxidants, what are the antioxidants you're going to donate to your body? The same 16 cups antioxidant is going to come from a one single cup of Kangen water. Such a powerful antioxidant it is. And we all knew that a blueberry is considered as a powerful, antioxidant fruit, king of antioxidants, what we call it as. If you eat a 1 kg of blueberry, the kind of antioxidants what you can donate to your body, the same is going to come from a one single glass of Kangen water. If you have to eat a blueberry, each kg is available in India. It is going to cost you around 3,500 to 4,000 rupees, the frozen what you get. And if you talk about other fruits, 500 plus apples, 700 plus bananas, 45 inches of spinach, if you eat, what kind of electrons you're going to donate to your body, the same is going to produce from just a 1.5 liter of Kangen water. Such a powerful antioxidant it is. And he is actually Hiromi Shinya. He's a world-renowned colonoscopy specialist, and he invented a therapy which is called as a Shinya therapy. He's working as a chief of endoscopy Bethesda New York Institute as of today, and he seen more than a 4 lakh colons as of today in his entire service. And he actually done a lot of research to identify the relation between a water and body. By doing a lot of research on this, he authored many books. Every book, when he's talking, after including his research and everything, each and every book he endorsed with a Kangen water. And he says this Kangen water is one of the powerful and best water available on earth, which is required by our body. Each and everything is required by our body is available in Kangen water. That's what he says. Doctor done a research, and even he's talking about a water, why he should talk about some private brand and some private company, also Kangen water. And why you should mention that in books actually, because one book, if you talk about, I have one book with me, The Enzyme Factor, which has sold more than 2 million copies around 5 to 7 years back, and is considered as a world 4th rank doctor, The Enzyme Factor. In this book, one complete chapter, he talks about a water and Kangen water. Not only that, on the cover page he says, diet for the future that will prevent heart disease, cure cancer, stop type 2 diabetes. And back cover you can see in the red box, drinking Kangen water can help cure obesity. If it is really not fact, if it is a fiction or something, these doctors will not take a risk of including it in a box, because anybody can sue this doctor by being a doctor. you are putting a people in a wrong guidance by promoting some brand which is actually not a fact. And I have a book with me also. You all can see this book. You can see the back, the first line of this thing. So such a powerful it is. And why I included all these things in a book is because even if you go to Japan today, a lot of hospitals having these Kangen devices in their hospitals to recover the patients in a natural water therapy. Even Hiromi Shinya, he himself done a lot of research by using this water in his clinic. And you want to see the results, I'll just show you the results actually, which is, you can't even believe this, but these are the facts. Here actually I have shown you 3 pictures. These are the colon pictures actually. You can see the left side is a colon with a chronic constipation and breast cancer patient colon, and the colon of cancer patient after chemotherapy. This is a condition. What this Hiromi Shinya done is, he has actually made them to drink a Kangen water, empty stomach 1 liter of Kangen water, and whole day 3 liters of Kangen water is a protocol, mandatory, for 3 months continuously. Now you see the result of these colons. Just by drinking a Kangen water for 3 months, you can see the condition of the colons. It become normal. When you born, your colons look like. This is what the condition of the colons. And gradually, depending on your food habits, smoking and all those things, you actually keep, killing the colon in a different condition. That's what you can see here in the first pictures. And that's the reason he included all these things in the books. And the second property of this water is actually alkalinization property. We call it as a potential of hydrogen. We all actually, came through from schools where we used to study this potential of hydrogen, where we used to do a litmus test by putting the paper in a different liquid. By depending on the colors, we used to say, is it an acidic nature or alkaline nature? When you look at this particular chart, the pH chart is 1 to 14. 7 is exactly neutral pH, which is a green. 7 below is acidic in nature towards yellow, orange and red, which actually help you to get sickness. And 7th place towards a blue, purple and royal blue and all these things, it is considered as an alkaline property, which is going to help for your health condition. As soon as I say alkaline, people actually would have got a kind of hint, "Arey, alkaline." I knew that actually, somebody is selling this alkaline ROs, which is very close to my house. I also started drinking my alkaline water, which comes in a jars and all those things. Please listen very carefully. Alkaline and alkalinization. There's a huge difference, massive difference in this. Alkaline is not really good for health. Alkalinization is really good for health. What is alkalinization when I talk about? Alkaline properties through ionization process. That is considered as an alkalinization process, which is a natural. Alkaline is nothing but by adding some chemicals. Like, generally we all get a municipal corporation water, right? Corporation water, when you check, you will get a beautiful green plus color. We presume that is very good for health. But actually, the color comes because they add 3 chemicals in it. That is the chlorine, bleach and alum when they do a chlorination process. Because of that 3 chemicals, you will get that color. But that is not good for health. What are the kidney related issues what you are facing nowadays? Thanks to those chlorinated water. That is a culprit for all those things. So by adding anything, if you convert acidic into alkaline, that is an alkaline properties, which is not natural. That's not good for health also. But through ionization process, whatever is minerals available in the source water, if you can segregate all acidic and alkaline into 2 different streams, that is considered as a natural process alkaline water, which is very good for health. So please understand, alkaline and alkalized water is not same waters. It's a 2 different water. Now, what we are going to do is, again, we have the same waters with us. We will check it out. We will see what kind of a waters we are drinking here. Is it really acidic water or alkaline water? To do that check, we need to have a litmus paper or litmus liquid with us. I have a litmus liquid with me, which we call it as a pH test liquid. If you drop 2 to 3 drops in each and every liquid, we'll get to know what we are drinking. Is it acidic or acidic or alkaline? What I'm doing is I'm just dropping a water in liquid into Aquafina. 1, 2, 3 drops. Inlay 1, 2, 3 drops. Cool drink 1, 2, 3 drops. And this is my RO water 1, 2, 3. Finally, this is my Kangen water 1, 2, 3. You all can see, right? Okay. So same liquid in all the waters, but here we got a different colors here. You can see Aquafina water, somewhere it is matching around 5 to 5.5 pH. Kinley is slightly better than Aquafina in terms of acidic levels, which is slightly good, very close to 6.2 pH. And this is a cool drink. You can see it is almost in orange color. There's a second reason why we are not supposed to consume cool drinks is it is not only highly oxidized, it is highly acidic in nature, which is not good for health. Acidic in nature, around 3.5 pH. And again, my house RO water, which is almost like a inland aquafina because all are come from a same process. Might be the plants different, places different, and the source water might be different, but output is going to be almost same because it's RO water at the end of the day. So that's the reason all is showing the same color. Finally, from the same water, we have collected this Kangen water. You can see it's a pure purple color. So generally, people would have got it out. These are eggs showing in a yellow color. Why the Kangen water came into blue color? Why it's showing an alkaline property? This what machine, what it does is in anode and cathode technology, what are the input water we are giving in that each and every water will have a both the minerals. Acidic will be there and alkaline will be there. In an ionization process, anode and cathode technology, it segregates into two streams. All acidic minerals comes from a bottom pipe and all alkaline minerals comes from a main hose pipe. So you remember we have collected this bottom pipe water also. We have water here. So we will see what is the color of this water. Give me one empty glass. That's one there. Any steel glass also, no issue. I'm just reducing the quantity because it's too much. I don't want to waste the chemical. So what I'm doing is I'll just remove the quantity. I just reduce the thing. What I'm going to do is we will see what is the color of this particular water which is collected from a bottom pipe. You can see it is almost a powerful acid than compared with any drinking water, and it is slightly better than a cool drink, which is dark yellow. So what this machine done is all the acidic minerals into bottom pipe, all the alkaline based minerals into main Kangen water. This is what it's going to do. It segregates. It is not going to add anything. It is not going to remove anything. It is just going to segregate into good and bad, drinkable and non-drinkable. That is what it's going to do. Everything is fine, but what we do, we require. Is it really alkaline water or acidic water? What we need actually to our body? Our blood pH, it always maintains around 7.4 pH, 7.365, which is alkaline side, which is very important for our body. When you talk about a urine pH, which we actually pass it out through waste and other things, it maintains around 5 to 5.2 pH, which is a waste. Logic is okay. Is there any scientific research behind this? Because we can't believe our logics. We need something science actually which is talking about this. If you look at this particular screen, he's actually Dr. Otto Heinrich Warburg, who is a physiologist who got a Nobel Prize 2 times. Why he got a Nobel Prize? Because he done a lot of research. In a 1923 itself only, he identified a root cause for the cancer. What are the cancer research, cancer treatments you are talking about nowadays? It is all because of Dr. Otto Heinrich Warburg and his research. According to him, if you look at the bottom two lines, cancerous tissues are acidic, whereas my healthy tissues are alkaline. That means if my body condition is acidic in nature, yellow in color, cancer cells can grow faster and spread faster. If my body condition is alkaline, cancer cells cannot grow faster and spread faster. As soon as I say this, most of the people say that, sir, growing and spreading is secondary. No, sir, first it should take birth in my body, right? Cancer cells should get into my body, then only it will grow, right? Most of us actually, what we presume is only cancer patients will have a cancer cells, nobody will have a cancer cells. But what science says is each and every human being, each and every living animal will have a cancer cells in their body by default, by birth. If it is under control, no problem. If it takes over the body, it's a life threat disorder. This demarcation is going to fix by the immunity system. If the immunity system is good, even cancer cells cannot do anything. If the immunity system is not good, forget about a cancer cells. Cold can kill you people. That's the power of this immunity system. And if we'll talk about this person, he's a Dr. Gaitan. The books authored by him is used as a reference textbooks to teach medicine. And according to him, if you look at a log slide, what he says about a pH level, 7.4 is a healthy pH, normal health condition. The same 7.4 comes down to 7.2 or below. It is nothing but a death condition, such an important factor. Not only that, if you look at the entire organs in your body, each and every organs maintain a pH levels in between 7 to 8.3. That means alkaline side. But what we are doing is the 70% of water what is there in your body, what we are filling is most of the times we fill a acidic water, and not only that, sometimes we fill with these cool drinks. That means we are killing when you born, you are a pure alkaline body because your mother's womb is alkaline. When you born, you are alkaline, but when you are dying, before dying, if you can check your body condition, it is completely acidic in nature. So there's a journey between alkaline condition to acidic condition. This is what is called as a life. We are killing our system by pumping in all the acidic things, not only the water. When you talk about the food items, the 80% of food items what you are buying from a grocery supermarkets and the departmental stores is all in acidic in nature. You talk about the fruits, vegetables, milk, cheese, chicken, mutton, beef, ice cream, butter, anything you talk about, each and everything is acidic in nature. Why? What alkaline? Nothing is there. Green grass, green leafy vegetables, green sprouts. Without cooking, if you eat, it is alkaline. If you cook those foods also, that becomes acidic in nature. That means because all these food items is acidic, you can't stop eating from now onwards. And you can't start eating those foods without cooking like a green grass, leafy vegetables and all those things. It is highly impossible for us. That's the reason what we say is 70% of your body, if you can change that water from acidic to alkaline, whatever you are eating, whatever you are actually trying to corrupt your system, this water is going to neutralize your system, ensures that your system is always as it is supposed to be, in between 7 to 8.3, and ensures your health condition is perfect. If I am not balancing, if I'm not neutralizing, if my acidic levels go high, what is going to happen? You can see in orange color, there's an unlimited gift list for you people. GERD, arthritis, fatigue, cancer, mood disorders, cholesterol issues, obesity, diabetic, blood pressure, heart attack, anything you talk about, including constipation, is all because of the kind of acidic levels which is built in your body. And the final and third property of this water is a microclustering, what we call. Before going to the microclustering, we all get a one kind of a doubt. Pawan, everything is fine. You said super, this water is really good and everything. But from past 30, 40 years, we are drinking the same kind of water, acidic water, or close to neutral pH water. That means my system is already corrupted, already acidic in nature. Now, if I start drinking Kangen water, is it really going to change my system from acidic to alkaline? Is it really going to balance my system from whatever I corrupted from past 40, 50 years? Is it going to change? Let's see what is going to happen. If you are drinking aquafina every day by traveling outside, or your Kille water or your RO water, all are almost same color. This is your body condition. If you start drinking Kangen water, let's see what is going to happen. You started drinking Kangen water from now onwards. You are filling your body with the Kangen water. You started drinking. Finally, the people who consume cool drinks a lot, every day, almost every day, you see their condition. I filled almost a full glass, double the quantity what I filled in other glasses, but it is very intact, powerful. It is yellow in color because we already discussed it is a strong acid. It is such a powerful acid. If you consume this one bottle of cool drink, if you have to neutralize the acidic effect of this particular bottle, what you consume, within a 1 hour after consuming this, the same bottle, Kangen water, you should drink at least a 32 to 34 bottles. Then there is a possibility of it comes into your neutral state. Such a powerful acid it is. To show you the power of this, after diluting with a lot of Kangen water, what I'm doing is I'm pouring a small quantity into this. See what is going to happen. You observe very keenly what is going to happen into these glasses. All turned back into yellow color. After diluting with a lot of Kangen water, even I poured a small quantity, again it becomes acidic in nature. Such a powerful acid it is. And the third property of this water is a microclustering. And we all knew that water is made up of molecules. Khand se banta hai actually. If you look at any regular water, 15 to 20 molecules together is considered as a one cluster, which is very big in size, big. So generally, this water will not have a penetration or extraction power. That's the reason, if you try to prepare a coffee or tea with a cold water, generally if you put a cold, tea into the cold water, it won't extract the flavor. You can't prepare a tea with a cold water because it won't penetrate into the tea to extract the flavor. When you heat up the water, this clusters breaks into smaller clusters, and the 15 to 20 molecules become a smaller, and it will have a penetration and extraction power. That's the reason it goes to the tea and start extracting the flavor. But when you talk about a Kangen water in a natural process, it restructures the water. 15 to 20 molecules converts into restructures into 5 to 6 molecules. It's almost a 1/4 size of the thing. And at the same time, unstructured cluster going to shaped into hexagonal shape. This hexagonal shape also we read it in a school time. It is considered the most powerful and healthiest water structure available in the universe. Such a powerful water structure, what we can say. Just a moment. So this particular water structure is by nature, it is available only in a Tokyo water. What is, because of this water will have a super powerful penetration and extraction and too much of absorption capacity. What is there because of the penetration, extraction, absorption? How it is going to help your body if you talk about? Whenever you drink a 1 liter of water or, use quantity of water in a one shot in a summertime, you feel that it's a bloated and you feel that whenever you're moving, you can feel that water is moving in your stomach. You presume that, we already consume the water, let water do its duty. But water is not going to start its duty when it goes into your stomach. It should penetrate into each and every cell of your body by carrying oxygen nutrient for a production process. That is what we call it as a metabolism. Once it goes and drops the oxygen nutrient, metabolism starts, and in that metabolism only we get an energy which we are going to use it whole day. Along with the metabolism, in the energy in this metabolism process, there is something called a waste also is going to produce, which we call it as a metabolic waste, toxins, which need to be flushed out through urine and sweat. That is what we call it as a cell cleaning process or a detoxification process. This is also done by the water itself only. But when water is moving in your stomach, that means it is not able to penetrate into cell, it's struggling to penetrate. If it is not struggling, it will not help for a metabolism process, and while coming out also, it won't carry that waste, toxins, detoxification. So your cell cleaning process will not happen. Your metabolism disturbed and your detoxification process disturbed, automatically you start getting all kind of a imbalance in your system. So body start reacting with all kind of disorders. So your cell production capacity also start deteriorating, because the waste is not gone out, so it will not produce the energy what it's supposed to be. So when you talk about this Kangen water, as soon as you drink, within a minute, it will mix with the blade, it start penetrating your cell. Within a minute, it start working. Is it really such a shape and with a smaller clustering? Is it really going to be so powerful? If I have to prove that, I have to take you to the labs to show you the power of this water, which is not possible now. But I can show you a small test which can show you the power of this Kangen water. What I'm doing is, I have a green tea bag with me, Lipton green tea bag with me. We all knew that if I have to prepare a green tea with this, we need a hot water. But we have all cold water with us. We don't have any hot water with us. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to open this bag and we'll try to prepare a green tea with this bag with a cold water. You'll see what is going to happen. I just opened the bag. I'll just put it in this glass. What I'm going to do is, I'll stop sharing so that you can see the thing in my big screen. Okay. So what I'm doing is, I kept a bag into this glass. I have a Aquafina water with me, which will pour it in this glass from top. Is green tea ready? Nothing happened. We knew that nothing will happen because it's a cold water. Cold water cannot extract the flavor. So we'll try to dip it for 5 times. We'll see what is going to happen. You can see that slight color change happened in this thing. Slight color change, but green tea is not going to be this color. So what I'm doing is I have a Kangen water with me, which is left of quantity. I am going to add this Kangen water into the same glass, but not using any kind of a force or something. I'll just add very smoothly, very slowly. You can see I haven't even dipped yet, just added the water. You can see it's already started extracting the flavor. What I'm going to do is, I will dip it for 5 times to justify. So you can see there is a difference between both the glasses. There's a huge difference. People say that you put a dry bag in this, that's the reason it's not extracted after putting it in the glass. After some time, you just put it in this thing, so it's extracted more. Might be, if that logic is true, I put it in a 3rd glass. That means it's already came from 2 glasses, dipped into 2 glasses. It should extract more. Might be Aquafina is not doing good. We'll see what is going to happen with my house RO water. Again, I'll pour it from the top. You can see the slight color change, but it is not a green tea. It is pathetic than a first glass. Now people say that you extracted all the flavor in a second glass. What is left in that to extract more? Might be that is also true. If that is true, what I'm doing is I'm changing this glass to fourth glass. What I'm going to do is in this fourth glass, again, I will pour left out Kangen water with me very slowly. I'm not even pouring very fast. Very slowly, I'm pouring it into this glass. You can see it's extracted more. Why these two waters fail to produce a green tea? Why these two actually, extracted more? Because this is microclustered and it is having a hexagonal shape. It immediately penetrates into green tea and start extracting the flavor. The same thing is going to happen in your body also. As soon as you consume this water is going to penetrate into cell immediately and start extracting the toxins and everything while coming out, and it flushes out. That means your cell is going to perform very powerfully. It is going to ensure that your metabolism is powerful, perfect, and your detoxification is perfect. And at the same time, we are supplying all the minerals to your body. Your immunity system also maintained well. That means if you can take care of all these three things, your body is taken care in all the aspects. That is what is going to happen with this Kangen water. Now, again, we'll just go back to the slide. So this is actually, is a Dr. Peter Agre who talks about he also got a Nobel Prize because he talks about the water and water structures, and he done a lot of research on the water. You can see right side round thing, and there are small clusters is inside the cell, and outside there is a big chunk actually waiting. The outside which is waiting is actually normal water molecule, bigger clusters, and inside what is there is a nothing but a microcluster structured Kangen water. So it is going to penetrate, and it is going to start working from the minute it is as soon as you consume this water. Such a powerful thing. Is it really going to work on a cell level? To show you that, I have a small video with me, which is actually going to show you the complete thing about what level it is going to work on. How it is going to change your red blood cell structure and everything. I'm just playing this video. This is actually as soon as you get up in the morning, within a 10 minutes, after 10 minutes after you get up, how is it going to be your red blood cell structure? And after drinking a cup of coffee, 10 minutes, after drinking a dasani is considered as a very costly water compared with all this local available with us. But after drinking dasani and after drinking Kangen water. And there is one more part of video which is actually diabetic patient red blood cell structure before and after drinking Kangen water. We'll show it in a different zooms actually, 10x, 20x, 60, 40 and 60. Please see that video. You'll understand the power of this water.
Let us see how this type of water affects human blood. The doctor is drawing blood from a patient's finger. Using a special microscope, we shall be able to see the condition of her body from this drop.
These are red blood cells, and they've lost their electrical charge, so they're all stuck together in a formation called a rouleau. Here's a huge symplast. Symplasts are associated with heart disease and arthritis and lung disease and many other conditions that could be coming in the future.
The doctor asks the patient to drink a small amount of structured water. After 12 minutes, the doctor again draws blood from the patient and studies it.
So you can see that the cells then become buoyant, they become slippery, and they have their electrical charge, so they repel each other. That allows them to carry oxygen, and it means that we're changing the pH of the blood back to an aerobic environment rather than an anaerobic environment. I think that's utterly amazing that that just drinking water.
Sorry. The second video, this is actually, you can see the blood cells structure. As soon as you get up in the morning, after 10 minutes, after drinking a coffee, after drinking a dasani, right side, extreme right is after drinking. Actually, the coffee cells. As soon as you can see the coffee is slightly moving. Because coffee is having a caffeine, so it actually gives you energy for some time, but after that it dies. The right side that is where actually you can see 68. And this particular video, what I'm going to show is type 2 diabetic patient and after drinking coconut water. See left side, you can see drink water. Cannot see a regular red cell by drink. Right side, you can see individual cells. That is where actually, generally as soon as you start drinking this Kangen water, most of the diabetic patients will get to see the results within 10 to 15 days. Some people actually get to see the results within 5 to 6 days itself, because when the cell becomes independent and moving very fast, it will help you to regulate your sugar levels in your body. But when it's moving like a junk, it will not regulate your sugar levels. That is what it will get us to. But if you look at where are it's going to work, is it only is a Kangen water is going to help only for a diabetic patient or anything? Which is not going to work on anybody's disease or disorder. This water is going to take care of your each and every cell of your body. By doing that, ensures your entire system is going to be maintained proper. When you talk about any kind of health related issues, you talk about eczema, allergies, diabetes, sinusitis, high cholesterol, constipation, diabetic, arthritis, obesity, anything you talk about, it is going to take care from your cell level, so that it is going to give you a best of the best
It's 12 o'clock.
kind of health related issues in your body. So that is what it is going to do, because it is going to ensure your metabolism is powerful and your detoxification is perfect. That's where it is going to work from. It is not going to work for the disorder. It is going to ensure your cell is working absolutely fine. That's where it's going to work like. And generally, when you use a green tea bags and other things, generally one bag we prepare a one green tea, right? One by using a hot boiled water. But when you talk about this Kangen water, with a one bag, at least I can prepare 5 to 10 green teas. I already had 3 cups, and this is another 1 glass. I prepared a green tea. So you can extreme, even hot water failed to extreme such a powerful. These bags can one bag, one family. You can save a lot of money also on this. Finally, everything is fine. What is the profile of this company? Is it really new to the universe? It is not a new to the universe. It is a 46-year-old Japanese technology. Next month we are completing 46 years. 1974, the first device is innovated, and from 1974 to 1994, the first 20 years, the bigger commercial machines are used in a Japanese hospitals to take care of the patients in a natural water therapy. They used to give as a protocol early morning empty stomach 1 liter of water, whole day 3 liters of water. Make as a protocol mandatory. They used to make patients to drink this water. They used to get to see the powerful results. But what happened gradually is more than a patient, the people who are coming to the hospitals to collect this water become increased like anything. They presume that the doctors forcing us to drink a particular water, which is actually a medicinal water. If you drink that water, we will not get a sickness and illness. So they started coming to the hospitals by carrying a cans and standing in front of the hospitals in a queue. That's where this company owner Hironori Oshiro, why can't we make a preventive? Why are we waiting for patients to come into the hospital? So he started manufacturing a domestic models from in the year 1994. From 1994 till date, we have a presence in more than 175 plus countries. And if you talk about the known users, the famous and very familiar faces, the present American President Trump, Obama, Bill Gates, Jimmy Carter, Tycoon Sultan Mirjan, Shah Rukh Khan, Shilpa Shetty, Venkaiah Naidu, Nitin Gadkari, Ravi Teja, Prakash Raj, Boyapati Srinivas. There are many people. There are top 10 doctors, and including Yuvraj Singh, Harbhajan Singh, Munna Patil, Pragyan Ojha. All these people are from past 4.5 years. If you talk about, we have more than 38,000 users in India itself only. And not only that, we have American Anti-Cancer Institute, which is considered as a genuine institute. They don't do any treatment for the cancer patients, but they do a lot of research to educate the people on the cancer. In their website, they given a top 10 recommendation for prevention for cancer and prevention and cure. And the first recommendation what they talk about is a ionized water, which is they talk about a Kangen water. Not only that, this American Anti-Cancer Institute actually founded and initiated by Mr. Dr. Robert G. Wright, Bob Wright, what we call him. He authored a book called Killing Cancer, Not People. Kill the cancer, not the people. And in this book, the entire research institute research is included in. Not only that, in this book, he mentioned about this particular Kangen water more than 100 times. You can read this line. I thank God that for the machine and the gallon of Kangen water I drink daily. That you everybody can read this, right? It's mentioned about a Kangen water. Not only that, cancer specialists recommend this Kangen water to their patients. You can see this actually. He recommends Kangen water to his patients when their patients follow his prescribed lifestyle, including this drinking Kangen water. There's no recurrence of any kind of a cancer when they drink this Kangen water. You can see this particular thing. And all highlighted parts, it is all about a Kangen water. You can see all highlighted parts is talking about a Kangen water. If it is really not a proven, it is not with the scientific research and other thing, nobody will take a risk of including this in a books. And this doctor shouldn't do that. You can see this is all about a Kangen water. This Dr. Robert Wright and American Cancer Institute shouldn't take a risk of including in a books, because there's one chapter which is actually included in this book. He talks about surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy. What he says is the surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy is not having any kind of things which can kill a cancer cell. It is actually cause a cancer. And he openly challenged the American government and doctors, prove me wrong and do whatever you want to do. Nobody touch him. He travels across the globe and educate the people on a cancer. Everything is fine. Finally, if you look at the device, this device can produce 5 to 7 different types of water, 3 types of water for drinking and cooking purpose, 8.5, 9, 9.5 pH for drinking and cooking purpose. And also there's something called a clean water, which is also for a drinking purpose, but exclusively while having a food, while consuming a medicine, or for the baby food preparation below 2 years or something. We recommend this water because this water absorption capacity is up to 93% of any medicine. Whereas any other water, if you take a medicine, the absorption capacity is going to be maximum of 30 to 35% only. And not only that, this machine also can produce something called a beauty water, which is a 5.5 to 6 pH water. Generally, our ladies go to cosmetic shops to buy a skin toners, rose waters, and everything by spending a lot of rupees. But this machine can produce unlimited of the same beauty water. You can wash your face, you can take bath with this water. If you are in front of me, within 2 minutes, I can show you the power of this water by using this beauty water. It is so powerful for your skin, hair, and plants. And you can check it out within 10 days. You can see the saplings. But if you pour a beauty water, it will grow like anything. It is the most powerful water. Not only that, this machine can produce finally 2 different types of water, which is a strong acidic water, 2.5 pH. Is considered as a most powerful and natural disinfectant, which can kill any kind of a bacteria within 30 seconds, including E. coli and Salmonella. So generally, we have wounds, allergies, skin rashes, pus formations, throat infections, mouth, anything you talk about. It can deal with any kind of a bacteria. Even hospitals using this water as a natural sterilizer to sterilize their surgical equipment. And this water is so powerful. Recently, there are some labs and some doctors from Harvard University also says that in this water, even a coronavirus cannot survive more than 30 seconds. And we all knew that when your body condition is more than 8.5 pH, the science says that this coronavirus cannot survive more than 8.5 pH, and Kangen water is 8.5 to 9.5 pH, which is recommended for a drinking purpose. And you can see here, actually, the testimonials, this is a 1st November left side picture, which is actually a skin psoriasis, and 31st December is the right side picture, which is just 2 months. This is a result of this particular, by spraying the acidic water 2.5 pH and by drinking Kangen water. And this is a face eczema, you can say. It is the total 3 weeks from 5 months. And this is the result from a Vijayawada. She is a diabetic patient where her diabetic levels is actually sugar levels around 380 in between 400. Where it's there is a small wound happened after the doctors done a debridement. This picture is taken in the 22nd November 2018, where they don't have a Kangen machine that time. January 10th, we have installed this machine, and this is a picture we have taken in the 19th March 2019. Just 2.5 months after install the machine, drinking Kangen water, and whenever you do a dressing, spray this Kangen water, 2.5 pH acidic water, let it dry for 10 minutes. After that, they used to do the dressing. This is exactly 2.5 months. Then this particular picture is taken in 15th June 2019. This is exactly after starting around 5.5 months after installing the Kangen machine in their house. You can see the result. And this is the latest pic 10th February 2020, around 2 months, 2.5 months back, what we have taken. You can see almost the wound is taken. Now actually she is using a 2.5 and beauty water actually to cover that color of the skin. This is the power of Kangen water. This is a fact. And the similar cases, 4.5 months, the 3 other patients, they are no more because they had to amputate the leg slot by slot. Shift, they foot, then up to knee, then up to leg. After that, there are no more. She is only the lady who's alive today, and she says that Nana, I am alive today just because of your Kangen water. That is the power of Kangen water. And this particular testimony is from Hyderabad. Is a Baba. It is actually called flesh-eating bacteria. This is actually in a scientific term, necrotizing, facies, what we call it as. The cells, actually, the bacteria eats the cells. He tried all the doctors by spending around 40 to 8,000 rupees. But my friend, when he went to the thing, he seen the thing, he started giving a Kangen water along with a 2.5 pH acidic water. You can see the entire result is within a 5 months. Now he is using a 2.5 and 6 pH. You can't even make it out. There is such a wound happened on his leg. Such a powerful water it is. And finally, this machine can produce 11.5 pH water, which is considered as it will actually ensures to you to eat pesticide-free fruits and food items. You talk about fruits, vegetables, rice, meat items, anything. You just get buy it from anywhere. Just soak it in the 11.5 pH water for 5 to 7 minutes. It will extract all the pesticides and fertilizers and ensures that what you're eating is a pesticide-free food. Then, we all, nowadays depend on organic food, thinking that, organic is really organic. But fact is, there is no such organic available in India, because if you have to produce organic food, your earth, you have to work on your earth field for minimum 30 years by using a natural manures without doing any cultivation. No farmer got a power or a economical power or a patience to do that. So we talk about organic, it is slightly better than a regular foods, but you buy any fruits and vegetables, just soak it in your, this Kangen water. You can see when you wash a rice, you can see the condition, normal water and a Kangen water. By washing your tomato, almond and everything, just removes the pesticides and ensures that what you're eating is a pesticide-free food. But if you're not washing through thoroughly, what you're eating knowingly or unknowingly, you're supplying a cancer agents into your body. That is the reason every 10 people, 1 person can become a cancer patient in his lifetime, because not just a smoking or anything else, the food also helps you to get this cancer in your body, because what you're supplying is the chemicals. And finally, most of the people think that how it is possible. Is there any chemicals added to this machine? There is nothing like that. There's an electrolysis chamber in this machine, which is like an engine for the car and heart for our body. This is actually manufactured with a medical grade titanium plates double dipped in a medical grade platinum, and it got a 230 watts power in it. When the water passes through its electrolysis chamber, it gets electrified and ionized and segregated, separated into acidic base metals into one stream and alkaline base metals into one stream. And everything is fine. Is there any approvals? Is there any certifications for this particular machine? This particular device is certified and approved internationally as a medical device. ISO 13485 certification is considered as the highest medical standard equipment available in the universe. Not only device, the entire manufacturing unit in Okinawa, Osaka is certified as ISO 13485. That means it's a medical device manufacturer. Across the globe, wherever the machine goes, it is manufactured only in Japan, Okinawa, Osaka. We don't have any other plants. We are not going to get any other plants apart from Japan, Okinawa. And American Water Quality Association given us 4 times gold seal. This is only the ionizer which got a gold seal, that took 4 times. American Water Quality Association. And right side, if you see the certification, this is called as JAPA certification, Japanese Association of Preventive Medicine for Adult Diseases. 6,500 panel, initial panel, and now the 8,000 plus panel of MD doctors, after doing a stringent test on this particular water from Japan, they say this is one of the best, safest water available. This is called a geriatric certification. This certification also, even today, we are only having this certification. No other ionizer or no other water device having this certification in the entire universe as of today. We have all the certification like FDA, eco-friendly, go green, each and every certification is there with us. Everything is fine. What are the maintenance and other things of this machine? This machine comes with a 5 years international warranty depending on the models. And if you use this machine as per the company recommendation, the life of the machine is 15 to 25 plus years. One-time lifetime investment. It got a self-cleaning system. Every 40 liters, the machine gets cleaned automatically. It will announce and it will display also. We have a patented e-cleaning system in build. This is only the ionizer in the world which is having a patented e-cleaning system, which takes care of any scaling, formation, anything. That's the reason you take a brand new machine water output, and after 15 years output is going to be the same, because we have a patented e-cleaning system. That is the power of this Kangen machine. And finally, this is what actually we have more than 175 countries as of today available in. And finally, the pricing of the machines, if you talk about, we have basically 5 models in a drinking water purpose, and we have 1 for the bathing purpose. The junior model comes with a 3 titanium and platinum plates, because the model depending on the number of plates available in this machine, like a 800cc engine and a 1200cc engine, depending on, in a similar manner, depending on the number of plates we have, a engine capacity will vary. The basic model comes with the junior, this junior 2 model, which comes with the 3 plates, and the cost of this machine is a 1,55,000 rupees. And next best model, ultimate model, what we can say best selling also, SD501, which comes with the 7 plates, which is 2,77,000. And next is the K8 model, which comes with the 8 plates, which is I'm having at my house 3,43,000. And the Super 501, which is for heavy usage like hospitals, offices, if you have to use, it comes with the 12 plates, and this will cost you 3,97,000. Why the model change? Because of the number of plates. If you look at, the water is going to pass through these plates in a spiral mode. So passing through 3 plates and passing through 7 plates and passing through 8 plates. The journey in ionization process is increased. Because of that, the power and consistency of the water will vary. All the models will produce all kind of water, but that negative warp what I shown you in the with the meter, the basic model can produce around -350 to -400. SD501 can produce -650 to -700. K8 and Super can produce up to -850. The more negative value, it is more powerful. In a simple language, if you have to talk about, it's 100 mg tablet and 500 mg tablet in a medicinal term. Otherwise, SD501, if you drink a water from SD501, if you get to see the result within a 10 to 15 days, the same result from a basic model may take 25 to 35 days, depending on. And finally, there's one more model, NSPA, which is actually, we call it as a hair and body spa. It gives you a powerful than a beauty water for your skin and hair. It is a most and best selling model in USA, because it takes care of your skin in such a way that, and your hair, it is a super powerful. Even Mr. Boypad Srinivas house, we have installed these machines, NSPA models, and they say that this is the one ultimate water what we are having. And all these models, the pricing is inclusive of GST, 18% GST. And finally, people still says that cost, everything is fine for one. The cost is very little expensive when you compare with the water. The water what you are having at your house, the RO, is killing your entire family as a slow poison. But when you talk about this Kangen water, is going to take care of you, each and every family member of your loved family, and not only the body, it is going to take care of each and every cell of your family members. That's where it is going to ensure that even in your monetary terms, if you talk about, I don't know how many lakhs and crores it's going to save in your whole life, because this investment is for a whole, it is not for just one family. It is, I can say it is for generations. Your kids, their kids also can use the same water from the same machine. So what we say is, don't wait for things to happen, things to end at your hospital bed, going through ventilator operations, this and everything, by spending lakhs of rupees to the doctors and hospitals. What we say is, have a preventive and precautionary measure by just changing your water. If you can change your water, it can avoid many surprises what you're going to face in your lifetime. We don't know what kind of food we are eating and what kind of water we are drinking. If you can change that 70% of your body, it will take care of your body and your loved ones. That's what we say. Even you talk about fixed deposits, gold investment, and all those, what you can get, it's a peanuts what you get as interest, but this is going to save your family life. So there's one ultimate investment what you can do to your family. That's what. And to buy this machine, you need not to do anything. You need not to pay cash to anybody. There is a company account numbers available here. You just transfer from your account to company account, and after that you just need to complete your KYC, like your PAN card, Aadhaar card, and your account details to the person who is actually in touch with you, and and UTR number. After transferring the amount into the company account, they will process your document. They will upload the documents into the Japan server. After that, they will process and they will dispatch your machine to your house. There is courier charges applicable. It will vary in between 1,100 to 2,000 rupees. And once the machine comes to your house, the person is going to come to your house and install the machine and show you the results of this particular